First train of today in Metairie at Central Avenue, New Orleans Public Belt. Woo! Yes, I have the air horn again. NOPB 2000 and 2004. Woo! He's on that really close track. Try to get up by the signal. Like how I usually do. Trying to get up by the signal for y'all, like how I usually do with most trains on this track. There was also a one engine Union Pacific on this track, but I missed it. So I may not be able to get up by the signal for this train, but and yes, you already heard me blowing it because I have the air horn once again. So you already know you're going to be hearing some horn shows. So I hope y'all other rail fans watching this video are ready to hear another round of air horn and some horn shows. Oh wow, whoa, oh wow, whoa. Alright, got 1, 2, 3, 4 brand new black and white tankers. Nice. Look, all brand new. That was cool. It's like all brand new. I'm not going to be able to get up by the signal for this train, but I'll get up by the signal for the next train. And there goes the end of train number 1 of today in Metairie at Central Avenue, New Orleans Public Belt. Hope y'all enjoy.